This is the 10x10 Amada model HA250W, fully automatic hydraulic horizontal bandsaw, serial number 25050042. We have it hooked up to 230 volts, that's 230, can be run on 220. Again, we have it hooked up to 230 volts, can be run on 220. We have the machine hooked up to 230 volts, can be run on 220. Again, this machine we have it hooked up to 230 volts, that's 230, and it can run on 220 volts. So right now we turn it on. You see the blade is running. And we have it in manual mode, by the way. When it's on the manual mode, and it stops at the top stop or at the bottom?
The cycle finishes when it's at the top. So it actually is doing like basically a semi-automatic cycle where I don't have to touch anything. Once I start the blade to hit down, it's going to do the whole thing. It actually gives you the dimensions if you wanted to do it manually. But you'll see now, the blade will stop, it will come to the top. It just stops there. Right?
Okay, it stops at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to go to the side to show the vices moving. But no, keep going the way you are. Okay, we're on the side of the machine right now, so I can show you in the different angle the movement of the vices. The back vice open, closed, the front one open. And now it's closing. It's feeding. And you hear a lot more of the noise because we took the cover off because we're in the midst of cleaning the machine. So you will not hear as much noise as it is now. Okay? Trying to show you as much as I can. The front vice open. It's feeding now forward. gets ready for the next cut.
Okay.
Now we're going to show you the variable speed on the blade. So I'm just showing you the auger, the chip auger, it is working. I'm just giving you a close-up on the operator control console. And that's the control for the tension on devices, one for the front and one for the back vise. You get there the pressure gauge for each one. If I can focus on this plate. There's a hydraulic motor with the hydraulic tank or reservoir. As you can tell, the machine doesn't have some of the covers because we're in the midst of cleaning the machine, which is making this video to show that it works. So that is the cover that goes over here, and you will not hear as much noise. And this is the front, or also called exit table, that goes in front of the machine. Again, because we're cleaning it, it is not on the machine, okay? But it will be. And this is a 5 horsepower blade motor. And you can see there that is the speed control, the feet per minute on the blade. And this is a 5 horsepower spindle motor, and that is the blade brush